This short guide explains how to buy shares of Mondelez International Inc., the global snacks company behind biscuits, chocolate, and gum. Mondelez trades on NASDAQ under the ticker MDLZ, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MDLZ to find the stock. Make sure you select the correct Mondelez International Inc. listing on NASDAQ. On the stock page, check the company summary and the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the name, market, and ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. Tap the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade, the new position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. Check the link in the description to follow the same steps on eToro.